Pinagpawisan ako sa katakbo. Tumatakbo kasi siya kaya hinahabol ko. Hindi pwede maglakad-lakad ngayon, pahinga kami. Siguro takbo lakad. Si Hannah at Sofia nasa Opava kasi minute up nila yung bagong Czech teacher ni Sofia. Parang grammar Czech teacher ni Sofia. Minute up nila sa Opava. Hindi yun yung school teacher ni Sofia. Private grammar Czech teacher yun. Extra bayad namin para talagang mahasa si Sofia sa kanyang Czech grammar. Kasi dito sa Czech Republic, although Sofia is a Czech citizen, pero pag hindi mo maipasa yung entrance exam mo sa university, pagdating ng araw, hindi ka makapasok. So hindi mo ma-avail yung 100% free na tuition ng university dito sa Czech Republic. Kailangan may ipasa mo yung Czech language ng university para maka-avail ka ng 100% free na tuition. So ganun yun dito sa Czech Republic. So yun, pa-jogging kami rito kasi Sabado ngayon. Kailangan siyang i-walking every morning. So ito yung another job ni Japit Boy. Pagpawisan ako. May story ako kahapon dito. Ako naniniwala ako kahapon lang ako naniniwala na may nakikita ang mga hayop na hindi nakikita ng tao. Ito, dito kami kahapon. Ganitong oras din, naglalakad kami rito kasama tong asong ito. Pagdating namin dyan sa malaking puno, bigla siyang huminto. Wala namang aso. Paghinto niya, talagang nag-growl siya. Tapos sabay takbo ng mabilis. Sabi ko, ano kaya yung nakita niya? So, akala ko may nakita siyang iba na baka maliit na insekto or anuman. So, iniwan ko siya dito sa pole na yan. Iniwan ko siya. So, binalikan ko yung malaking puno. Yung malaking puno na yan. Wala talaga akong may nakita. Tapos, hinihila ko siya kahapon dyan. Ayaw niya talagang pumunta. Sabi ko, there is something wrong dito sa area na to na nakita niya talaga na hindi ko nakita. So, aywan ko lang ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ganun pa rin ang magiging reaction niya. Nanayo yung balahibo ko. Sana nakuhanan ko kahapon yun. Na talagang huminto siya. Pag hinto niya, nag-growl siya at sabay takbo ng mabilis. Buti na lang nahabol ko siya hanggang doon sa kotse na yan. Ayan, dyan banda. Tapos, tinali ko siya uli. Ganito. Tapos, niligay ko siya dito sa pole na to. So, bumalik ako dyan. Tinignan ko kung ano yung nakita niya. Wala talaga akong nakita. Tapos, hinila ko siya pabalik. Ayaw niya talaga. Nagre-refuse talaga siyang bumalik. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung magre-refuse siya. Sisi, Potsem. Tingnan natin yung reaction niya. Kasi dito niya nakita yung kahapon. Wala naman, no? Ano kaya yun? May siya. May aso doon, puti. Ayan, yung puti yung nakita niya. Pero dito siya huminto banda rito. Pero may aso doon. Yun, doon kami galing. Sa pababa kami. Dito siya huminto. So, tingnan natin kung anong makikita niya rito na hihintuan niya uli at para siyang takot na takot talaga. Baka natakot siya sa wala na. Diba? Okay naman siya. Normal naman niya yung lakad niya rito. Pero kahapon talagang nanayo yung balahibo ko rito. Ditong bandang ito. Dito talaga siya. Kasi dito siya ang bandang huminto. Tapos napatingin siya doon. Tapos nag-growl siya. Pag-growl niya, sabay takbo. Oh, tingnan natin anong magiging reaction niya dyan sa may malaking aso na katulad niya. Puti. Sige, Sisi, Potsem. baka yan yung nakita niya kapon na natakot siya. Pero dyan yung banda yung aso. Hindi naman. Okay lang naman siya dito. Takot siya. Doon na. Doon. Okay, dito tayo daan. Kabila. Oh, Sisi, Puchim. Puchim, it means come here. Hello. So Sophia just came back from Opraba. So Ofaba. Yeah. So how's your meeting with your Czech teacher soon?
Yeah.
So how's the meeting?
Good.
Is she going to be your summer English Czech teacher?
I think so. I don't know. Maybe. Probably.
All right. Okay. But she's like our family friend, right?
No.
Family friend.
She's not a family friend. She used to be part of the family.
She used to be part of the family.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's true. This is a long story. So anyway, so how was it?
Yeah, I think it went
Or tell us a short story about it.
You just said that if I want to improve in my Czech, I have to be reading a lot.
Reading a lot, but that's what you're doing, right?
I mean, like, I don't like reading Czech stories.
But you don't have choice, Pinkai. You have to do it, right?
Yeah.
But she will be your 1 day a week teacher,
I think
or no?
so. Probably.
Probably. So when you gonna start?
During summer, like on the summer holidays.
On the summer holiday. So when is your summer holiday?
27th of June.
27th of June.
Today is 7th of June.
Right. Okay. Just keep on chewing this thing.
She broke it.
What is that?
It's like a toy, like you can.
A hair toy.
Like this, like this.
Oh no.
Aww.
Oh.
I show this.
Yeah. You know what? There's, in the school, Pinkai, in Radun, I think she saw something that I did not see.
What did she see?
I don't know, the thing that we could not see as in a human eye.
Do you think so?
Yeah. Like, there's a big tree there, okay? And she stopped and growl looking at something there. And I tried to look at, and I couldn't see anything. But she growled, like, "Arr." And then, after that, she really ran away.
Maybe she had a bad feeling about something. You know, she doesn't like little kids.
No, there was no kid. I was alone in the morning.
Yeah?
Yeah. So what was it?
Today?
No, yesterday. Yesterday. I forgot to tell you about it. I went back there today. Okay? But the feeling was different. She did not do the same. Like, I thought really, like, I believe now that there is something in the animal that they see, or they're able to see, and human being cannot see.
Maybe. You got goosebumps.
Yeah, I had a goosebumps.
Yeah?
Yeah. I was like, what was that? Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, alright. So, Pinkai. What are you doing, Pinkai? Changing your bed sheet? Yeah. Good job. So you're gonna sleep here tonight? Not upstairs?
No, I'm just changing because it's already dirty. She keeps licking it and she also likes poop.
Oh, right, okay. Look at her. I ran today with her like 45 minutes outside. Run, walk,
Exercise at least. Like, it's good to, like, if you want a dog, like, it's good to exercise with her.
Yeah, every morning. Every single morning I'm doing it. That's really good. Yeah. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah, I think she's spoiling it. Oh. Yeah. Nagluto ako ng pinakupsan. Para maya mayroon akong, alam niyo na, para sa ano to. Sa iba, pulutan to. Sa akin, pinapapak ko lang to. Nasasarapan ako sa pagpapak nito talaga. Ito lang, papapakin ko lang. Papak. Tapos habang nanonood ng movie, nagpapapak ako nito. Yan. Sarap nito. Ayun. Kahit si Mamingka, gusto ni Mamingka to. Maya-maya, pupuntahin sa ito pag tapos itong lutuin. Tapos ilalagay ko sa plato. Panay balik niya ito. Tapos panay kuha niya. Gusto niya ito. Oh, tawag namin dito, pinakupsan. Yung niluluto mo siya sa sarili niyang mantika. Basta pork belly lang. Lagyan mo lang ng asin at saka paminta. Ayun. O, yung aking pinakupsan, tapos na. Sa mga Tagalog, may nagtatanong bakit pinakupsan. Kasi, lumiliit. Pag luto na siya, lumiliit. Kasi malalaking slice to. Pero pag luto na siya, lumiliit siya. Kaya tinatawag namin pinakupsan. So, itong style ko niyan. Kukuha ko. Yan, ganyan. Ha? Ganyan lang start yan. Tapos ilalagay ko yan dito. At saka haluin ito na to. Tapos isi ko ng kunti. Ito mayroon akong sinamakan. Tamang pingkay. Ganyan lang, oh. Sinamakaan. Gawa ko. Sarili kong gawa to. Sinamakan. O, pinakurat. Kung sa ibang lingwahe pa, pinakurat. Tapos, magi. Ganyan. Yan. Yan. Kasi, Sabado ng hapon ngayon. Okay. At ito, non-alcoholic beer. Sa mga hindi umiinom ng alcohol, pero gusto makatikim ng lasa ng beer, dito sa Czech Republic, maraming ganyan dito. Yung ayaw mong malasing, pero gusto mo ang lasa ng beer. So, bumili ka ng non-alcoholic beer. Tapos, this is life. Life is good. Basher, pasok! Ganito na ako rito palagi. Either Friday ng gabi or Saturday ng hapon. Pero pag walang ulan, mas ganda panahon, masarap to barbecue. Pero dahil makulimlim na naman ngayong araw, ngayong hapon, kaya dito na ako. Pero always, non-alcoholic beer with pinakupsan, kasama ang sinamakan. So,
But like, can I try the non-alcoholic beer? I want to see how it tastes like.
Yeah, sure. It's non-alcoholic. Yeah. You don't like the taste of the beer? No? No. That's the taste of the beer.
I don't think I'll ever be an alcoholic.
That's not alcohol. It's not about the alcohol.
Alcohol tastes like that.
Huh?
Alcohol tastes
No. The alcohol doesn't taste like that. There are so many tastes of alcohol.
I know,
okay, but that is the taste of the beer. Okay.
beer.
So, if you want to drink beer, so that's how it tastes.
I mean, while I was younger, sometimes while you and mommy were not looking, I just licked.
Don't be careful because there are most of the beers are alcoholic.
Yeah.
So, you have to check it. You have to check the label.
Yeah, but I remember that once I was younger, I just said that sometimes when you and mommy were not looking, I licked like your alcohol, and I still didn't like it. Even champagne, even I haven't tried wine, but I've licked mommy's champagne.
Oh, try again, try again. Try again. Maybe first taste you didn't like it.
Like in the beginning, it's good, but then it starts to taste bitter.
Parang root beer. Diba? Yung root beer, beer din yun. Root taste lang siya, root. Yan, non-alcoholic. So, ganyan din dito sa Czech Republic, marami kang mabibili ng mga non-alcoholic beer. So, if you wanna enjoy beer, but you don't want to get drunk, then buy non-alcoholic beer. Very cheap. Napakamura lang to. Siguro, sa piso, mga 25 pesos.
But can kids drink non-alcoholic beer?
Yeah, it's a beer. It's non-alcohol.
If I were to go to the store, and I said, "Can I please buy non-alcoholic beer?" Would they allow me?
Yeah, of course. It's an alcoholic beer, but they have to check very carefully because there's like what's the brand of this? How you say that? How you pronounce it?
Well, let me see. Brunswick.
Brunswick. So if you buy, you give them hard time because they have to check whether the one you pick up is really non-alcoholic.
It says on the label.
Yeah, but of course they have to do like this then, right? So you have to be very careful. Yeah, because they're not non-alcoholic. So you didn't like it? Yeah, good. So that's how it tastes.
It's weird.
The beer.
No, it's like, it's first in the beginning it's nice, but then it starts tasting bitter and bitter.
It means this one doesn't make you drunk. Okay.
So the real beer, how does it taste like?
The alcoholic, of course, you get drunk. It's the same taste.
Same taste? Then how do people enjoy this?
You know, they drink beer because they want to get drunk. They want to get dizzy, tipsy. But if you love the taste, then have non-alcoholic.
I don't know how people can like that taste too.
That's good that you don't like it because one day maybe you will get alcohol. No. So you're not allowed. Okay? Okay? That's it. Yeah, I will enjoy my Saturday afternoon with my pinakupsan and non-alcohol.